tests again today. But no matter the trials I face, I trust your strength will guide my way. You are my weapon in times of trouble, my shield when the storms arise. I know you keep me far from harm, and guard my loved ones with your light. Together though I'm far away, I'm sure you keep them safe each day. Your love surrounds us, firm and true. Lord, I find my rest in you. Thank you, Lord, for always being near me. Your presence calms my every fear. Through every test, through every fight, you lead me on with endless might. Together